two airdrops into one video bridges edition. This is what we're going today. We're going to go over C bridge and move some money to get an airdrop. Then we're gonna go over here, Xpollinate bridge, move some money so we can get another airdrop, and all will be good with this word. And if you like what you see, my name is Eve, also known as Fun is After 40. Let's get started with two airdrops into one video bridges edition. Let's go. So what are we doing and why? If you go to this Excel, which will be in the description below, we're gonna go over Celer. Okay, search Celer. What do you need to do to get an airdrop? Have used the bridge. We're gonna use the bridge. I'm gonna show you step-by-step tutorial. Why? Because of this, already have a token, but can airdrop for bridge users. There's a rumor that they're gonna do a retroactive basically airdrop for already more bridge users for Celer network. So we're just gonna do that, no harm no foul. And we're gonna use Xpollinate as well. This one no, Xpollinate, this one right here, nope. This one, Xpollinate, have used the bridge. Okay, have used the bridge. Why? Because it's speculative and has no token yet. We're gonna go over two websites. This one, C bridge version 2, we're gonna use this one, link in the description, and Xpollinate version 2. What am I doing? Pretty simple. I got a little leftover Ethereum on optimism. I highly suggest you do, another financial advice, send some money to optimism, basically optimism basically chain. Okay, send some money from Ethereum to optimism. Start with that. Once you have that, hopefully you will be eligible for optimism airdrop. That's step one. Play a little, put some money on Uniswap. I will link the optimism tutorial below as well. And then you have a little nothing. I got like 0.02. See, this is my balance, 0.0208 Ethereum. That's like 80 bucks on optimism or Arbitrum, one of them. I'm just gonna play around. What am I doing? Let's get started. So I'm moving here, C bridge version 2. I'm gonna move money from optimism. Okay, just connect my wallet, switch optimism, and you can do the same with Arbitrum, but I'll stick to my step-by-step. I got a little lira from selling covered calls on Ethereum. Watch my other video. This protocol, I like it. I like lira more than Ribbon, which this is a side note. I liked Ribbon 6 months ago, but it was on Ethereum fees. Lira is getting expanded, and they just launched their coin, about 40 cents as far as I know, and I'm gonna get a big bag. This is just from trading fees or something, or rewards. I'm gonna get a big bag. Anyway, I got 0.02 ETH. Okay, so let's click here. I'm gonna do the max. Let's say 1.8. Okay, I got 0.021. Let's send 0.018 from optimism to Arbitrum, and I'm gonna get 0.0172. Okay, using Celer bridge. Why? Because they can airdrop to retroactive to bridge users. No harm no foul. You don't always need to use Hope Exchange bridge, which is my #1 favorite. But who knows, you do a transaction now and maybe a couple of weeks from now, you'll get a airdrop. Why? Because you did one transaction on this bridge. That's cool. That's gonna be bridge #1. Bridge #2, we're gonna use Xpollinate to send the money that we received from Arbitrum back to our Ethereum mainnet, because I want to do tomorrow something with ZK Sync Shield privacy coin on Ethereum mainnet. I'm gonna walk you through as well, so watch out for my next video, and if you haven't subscribed already, you should. What's going on here? Bridge rate, let's see what we got. 1 Ethereum, fee, there's the fee for the Celer bridge. Minimum receive 1.7. Estimate time 5 to 20 minutes. Okay, So let's click and see what's going on. I'm sending transfer optimism to Arbitrum. Layer 2 to layer 2, both of them don't have a coin. If you don't use those, if you're not experimenting, you could miss out on giant airdrops. Just play around. Don't put a lot of money. Do whatever that you want, not a financial advice. Play around, so once those coins are out, this is gonna restart the bull run. MetaMask, Optimism, Arbitrum, OpenSea, all those great tutorials in the description in my channel. And all those will start the bull run again in 2022. So we're sending from Optimism to Arbitrum, bridge rate, slippage, confirm transfer. I've never done it. I've never used this bridge, so I'm doing this live with you. Never used both bridges. All I've used is Hope Exchange, which I love. Layer 2 gas fees, absolutely nothing. Look at this. Layer 2 optimism, ETH, 0.000000100. Okay, layer 1 fee, 0.0007. And in total, I'm gonna pay, so we send 1.8, right? So I'm paying 0.1874. So my fee is 0.0007. How much is that? I don't know, $3. That's good. That's getting there. $3 is not 50. Confirm. Your transaction has been sent to Optimism. Transfer submitted. Please allow 5 to 20 minutes for the funds to arrive at your wallet on Arbitrum. Done. Confirm transaction. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna get back to you in 5 to 20 minutes. Yeah, that's basically it. Well, this was super quick, maybe 2 minutes or something like that. It says complete. You just you click here, you click on the history. Okay, click history. Optimism, we sent 0.018 ETH, and we got in Arbitrum 0.0172. And if you click here on the transaction, it opens this page on Arbiscan. Okay, it's Arbitrum, like Etherscan for Arbitrum. Transaction says what we did. Says we use Celer network C-bridge, success. Okay, from Celer network to null address rep ETH, transaction value $472. Okay, 0.001. So we paid almost $5 in fees. $5 is not 50 or 100, but still it's not a couple of pennies. Eventually we'll get there, but that's a good start. So now that this is done, that's it. You're done with the Celer bridge, and if you get an airdrop in the future, great. Now let's tackle the second bridge, which is this one. Okay, let's tackle Xpollinate version 2. Link in the description. Connect your wallet. Of course, this is awesome bridge. Look at this. Select network. You can move from Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Phantom, Moonriver, Binance, Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and XDAI. Can do all of that. We're gonna do, what are we gonna do today? Let's click just on the home page, basically, and we're sending back money that I just got. Okay, so I'm sending from Arbitrum. Okay, sending money from Arbitrum right here. I'm sending ETH. Where's the balance? Yeah, 0.015. So why I have just 0.15 and not 1.7, I don't know. Let's see if there's anything changing here. 0.0188. Interesting. Where's the max? It should be more. I don't know. Maybe there's fees. 0.0 fees. Wow, there's a lot of fees. 0.024. Okay, interesting. Okay, we stuck into a hurdle, but that's fine. Basically, when you send Arbitrum to Ethereum, I think Arbitrum is more expensive than Optimism from my own personal experience. And basically it says you must send at least 0.024 Ethereum amount to cover the fees. I have Ethereum in my layer 1 to cover the fees, but you also need Ethereum on layer 2 to cover the fees. I don't know. So I'm not gonna send to Ethereum. However, I'm gonna send just to use the bridge to get an airdrop. Xpollinate. I'm just gonna send to let's say Polygon. I love Polygon. send ETH to ETH. I got 0.018. Let's see if I can use it. Oh, you see, something is Arbitrum is I don't know. Something feels off about Arbitrum. They're guzzling a lot of fees compared to the competition. You see, so I'm sending from Arbitrum to Polygon. I'm gonna get paid. Instead, I'm sending 0.018. I'm getting paid 0.0173, and I'm using the Xpollinate bridge in order to actually, be eligible for an airdrop. Hopefully one time is enough. Click confirm. Arbitrum, bridge, Polygon, receive. Send amount 18. Here's the fees. Estimate, confirm. Let's see. Then I have some money on Polygon to play around with. And insufficient funds. Why is that? Because you need to send a little less. Okay. So let's send 1.5. Okay, that's something here with Arbitrum is off. That's my feel, but it is what it is. We did one bridge. Let's try to do the second one. I just want to get the airdrop. It's not about the money. So I'm sending 1.5 ETH. Let's see if this works. To Polygon from Arbitrum using Xpollinate. How cool is that? All those words that I just mentioned. So now it works. I'm gonna be able to send instead of 1.5, now it's 1.6 because there's fees. The fees on Arbitrum are a little more than interesting. Click confirm. Let's see what we got here. Arbitrum approved token send transaction signed to claim using connects graph hops.eth pending. Interesting. Does it say how long it takes? Don't close this tab while the transaction is in progress. If you do, you will need to open up Xpollinate again to manually claim your transaction. Okay, so that's not really user friendly. Your transfer will automatically end up at your destination once it is picked up and processed by Connex network. You can check its progress on the Connex. Let's click and then what? I'm done. Let's click, see what happens. So I'm now on Connex Explorer. There's so much innovation. People just think about Bitcoin price. So much innovation going on. Prepared, pending, still pending 2 minutes ago. What? Expire in 3 days. Okay, status pending. I assume it will be done less than 3 days. And if this one takes for airdrop, that's fine. I'm not closing this one. I'll keep you updated in a few minutes. Yeah. And we're back. Took, I don't know, 3-4 minutes. And now I got this sign, says sign to claim funds. Okay. So I'm gonna get 0.014 on Polygon. Let's sign, see what's going on. Claiming funds, wait for claiming. Opening my MetaMask. There's the bridge, Xpollinate, okay, sign. I don't know. Interesting, claiming funds. No, I'm using this for the first time with you because I would like the airdrop. Am I gonna use it all the time? Bridges? Hope Exchange is my #1 pick. Go check my video that I've done about them and subscribe if you haven't already. Claiming funds. I'll get back to you because this is getting annoying, all this waiting. Okay, we are back, and then it says sign to claim. Another 5 minutes pass, so total I would say 8 to 10 minutes. I don't like this bridge, not a financial advice. I like Hope Exchange. But if Xpollinate gonna drop some money on me just because I've used their bridge, I wouldn't say no. I'll be very appreciative. So we sent 0.015 ETH from Arbitrum to Polygon. We got 0.0143 ETH. Let's see that it's actually happened. Here's the transaction 55 seconds ago to Medic from Polynex. Wrapped ETH. I assume I got some Ethereum here. Okay. Let's see. We got on Quick. No. No, let's search, if I go to QuickSwap, okay, if I'm going to QuickSwap, it should show that I actually have a little bit of Ethereum. But that should be enough. Okay, I'm just making sure because I've never used this bridge. I got 0.014 ETH. Here we go. Connect to a wallet. MetaMask, sure. All those steps, connect, and let's see if I got a little bit of Ethereum. It's gonna pop up right here. I got 0.014, so it actually works. So what have we done? We have moved money. Okay, Vulcan Forge Telegram. We have moved money from Optimism to Arbitrum using C-Bridge, Celer Bridge version 2 in order to get an airdrop for Celer Bridge, and then we move money from Arbitrum to Polygon using Xpollinate Bridge so we can get the Xpollinate Bridge airdrop. Do those couple of steps. Start with sending money to your Optimism using the Optimism Bridge so you can be airdrop eligible hopefully for Optimism coin in the future as well. And if you like everything that you see so far, my name is Ziv, also known as Fans After 40. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Yeah.